In this lesson, we'll be discussing formatting colors in Excel. Recall that we did formatting colors in the previous lesson. However, the formatting is for fonts. In this lesson, we'll be discussing how you can format cells. Now, colors are specified by selection or by using hexadecimal and RGB codes. RGB means red, green, blue codes. Excel has a set of themes and standard colors you can use in your worksheet. To select a color, simply click on it. Note something that colors can be applied to cells, text, and borders. Colors are also applied to cells by using the fill color function. To apply colors to your cell, just select the range and click the fill color button, select the color you want, and you have it. Another thing you should take note of is the fill color remembers the color you used the last time. Let's take a look at this, how you can fill colors in Excel. Now we have this empty worksheet. So if, for example, you want to fill the cell with, let's say, blue color, what you do is simply select the cell here, A1. Now you click on the fill color button. Look at the description. It says, color the background of cells to make them stand out. Simply click on the arrow here, the drop-down arrow, and now you have a whole lot of colors. Notice that as I navigate through each colors, it changes as well on the cell. So the color we want to use is blue. Now we click on blue. Now you have it. This cell has changed to blue color. If you want to do the same thing for A3, just repeat the same process. Click on it. Let's use color yellow, and you have it here. Now you can also color multiple cells by simply highlighting the cells you want to color. For example, if you want to color D to F, so want to color from D1 down to F7, now simply just highlight it. Now you click on the drop down arrow. Let's use green color. And here you have it. This cell has been highlighted with green. Now on the fill color button, we have the no fill. Now this no fill is, for example, this place is color yellow. And if I want to go back, I don't want to put any color there, or I don't want it to have any color at all, just simply click here and click on no fill. Notice that's gone back to the default. Now, one thing you should note is the no fill is different from white color. So let's have this. Let's use cell J1. So let's fill the J1 with white. Notice the difference between this one and this one. You can see the difference between the J1 that we colored white with all other cells. Also, in the fill color, we have the more colors. So for example, you want to have custom colors using the RGB or hex code. Now, you can have more colors. If you look at the blue here, we have different shades of blue. And you see, as we keep navigating through each colors, it keeps changing here. So you can see the color. So you click and you see it keep changing. So for example, if maybe the blue here, you don't want to use this blue, you want to have maybe a lighter blue, or you want to customize blue, you can simply come here, or you click on custom. Now using the RGB. Now, this one, you can easily select any number. If you know the RGB code of the number you're looking for, simply put the number. So let's try, I'm just going to use a random number and let's see what color comes up. Now notice that when I remove the 0 here, the color changed. When I remove the 0, the color changed. Add the 0, you see a different color. Same way, the RGB, you can choose to use any color you want. You can choose to use any number. Let's just have a custom number and see what it brings. Now we have it. So apparently, RGB 2512510 gives us this color. That way, if you want to have any custom color, the RGB is the best bet you can use. Simply navigate through and choose the color you want. Now the RGB shows you the current color of the cell you're working on and the new color is going to be after selecting. When I click OK, notice the previous color we have is this. Now the new color is RGB 216-21375. When I click OK, notice the color has changed. Now this is how you format your color in Excel. You can either use the color theme here or you can go further to custom your color using RGB. Try this out, try to color as many cells as possible until you understand how to format colors in Excel.